In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out from your Instagram account on any device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. After that, go to your profile page, then tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. If you would like to log out from your Instagram account on your current device, just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Logout. If we tap on it, it will allow us to choose for which accounts we would like to save login info. I'm just gonna toggle all of them, and if we tap at Logout now, we will be signed out from all of the accounts. If you would like to log out your Instagram account on another device, in Settings and Privacy, go to Account Center, then Password and Security, and then where you are logged in. Then choose your Instagram account, and what that will do, that will show you the list of all your account login activities. So right there you can find all the devices where you are signed in. I got just one device here, but if you got more, you can easily find them here. And then we can tap at select devices to log out, then check mark those devices from which we would like to log out our Instagram account, and then tap at that button. That's how you can easily log out on Instagram on any device.